In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell online courses on Teachable, helping you make money online by sharing your expertise with the world. Whether you're an experienced educator or a professional looking to monetize your knowledge, Teachable provides an intuitive platform for setting up your very own online course. Let's dive in and explore how you can set this up step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the admin sidebar within your Teachable dashboard. Here, look for the courses section as it's the starting point for bringing your course idea to life. Once you've located it, click on the new course or create course button. This is where the fun begins and you start crafting your course content. Next, it's time to give your course a compelling title and a description that accurately conveys what learners will gain. Make sure these are both engaging and informative since they play a crucial role in attracting potential students. Think about what key skills or knowledge points your course will cover and express these with clarity and enthusiasm. Now it's time to add a visual element. Upload a thumbnail to make your course stand out. A visually appealing thumbnail can significantly boost the interest and clicks your course receives. If you're not sure where to start, consider using vibrant colors and meaningful images that speak to the content of your course. Afterwards, set a price for your course. Teachable offers various pricing options. You can opt for a one-time purchase, a payment plan, a subscription model, or even offer your course for free. If you prefer, you can skip this step temporarily and set a price later. Each option has its advantages depending on your audience's needs and purchasing behavior. If you've selected a pricing model, enter the amount you're charging and give your pricing plan a distinctive name and description. This clarity is vital for students to understand the value they're getting and for you to effectively market the course. Now it's time to outline your course. Teachable gives you the option to generate an outline with AI or to outline it yourself. If you have numerous files, try using the bulk upload feature to streamline the process and generate your outline quickly. Once your course outline is complete, click on Finish. Before you celebrate, it's crucial to review all your settings to ensure everything is just as you want it. Once reviewed, go ahead and publish your course. Congratulations! Your course is now live, but the journey doesn't end here. You need to actively promote your course to achieve successful enrollments. Start by leveraging email marketing. Send announcements to your email list to inform potential students about your new course offering. Then harness the power of social media by sharing your course on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach a broader audience. Lastly, consider hosting webinars. Live sessions are a fantastic way to introduce your course content and engage directly with potential students, providing a personal touch that can inspire confidence and interest. And there you have it. By following these steps on Teachable, you're well on your way to creating and selling your own online course. Happy teaching and best of luck on your journey to making money online through your shared knowledge.